and welcome once again to Talbot YouTube channel. Today I want to show you guys what's inside the floating bridge in Ikodabasi. I hope I got the pronunciation well.
So if you reach inside, you go use your camera, shoot me as I enter inside.
So we are in the bridge of no return, as it's popularly called, like in the signboard you saw. So we're trying to get into the bunk, right? The slave bunk. Yeah, so let's get in there and see what it has for us. Pray for me, guys. Pray for me. Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right, we're in there. See you right there.
But now teach me how to enter.
Oh,
Slave bunk.
Slave bunk or slave bunker. It was meant for 30, but 150 we were kept in for a given time. You see the breathing space. That the breathing space. You see the breathing space. Yes, that's not to say outside. When you open it, there's going to be an open place for them to drink. The same way you are.
wow.
We haven't been here for long, but man, see how we're all sweating. Like, you can't imagine what's inside here. We had to quickly get out because we're no slaves, and we thank God for that. Around this bunker, you would see blood and blood stains of different slaves that were killed or so. A brief history into this bridge of no return. It's on Imo River, and it is floating. It is not fixed to the ground. It is floating, and there are boats anchored on it. And slaves that worked on this bridge never returned. If you've entered this bunker, there's no going back. You're entering the slave ship and you're leaving the shores of Nigeria. Hopefully we're going to return. Go nowhere, sit back, relax, and I'll show you how to get out of the slave in the ninja style. Right, so here we go. Enjoy.